Hello, my name is David Reed, and in this short video, I'm going to explain to you a little bit more about the Chrome Web Store. Now, the Chrome Web Store is a marketplace for browser extensions or themes. And within Eastloadian's environment, the EduBuzz environment, we grant access to some of these pre-approved extensions. So the first thing you're going to do is search Chrome Web Store on Google, and it comes up with the first result. You can see it's this little Chrome icon here. So we're going to open the Chrome Web Store, and this is what it looks like. Now, you can search extensions and themes in here, but by default, most of these extensions and themes will be blocked because they need the approval of our data protection team. So what you can do is you can see which extensions have been approved by clicking the edubuzz.org section, and you can see at the moment we have 3 extensions already approved. Now, this is a process that you can do by contacting the service desk and requesting that an extension is approved. It may take a little while for it to be approved, but then it will appear on this page. So for this example, we're going to use Color Veil. And just as an example, when you click on Color Veil, you'll notice that there's a little button up here that says Install on Chrome or Remove from Chrome. I've already got Color Veil here. So I've already downloaded it. So if I wanted to get rid of it, I could click remove, or if I wanted to add it, I could click install. Now, what you will notice is the extensions actually live up in this little jigsaw piece here. So if you click here, you can see that there's quite a few extensions that I've been testing. Color Veil here. If I want to pin it so that it appears on my browser at all times, I can just click the little drawn pin. You can see if I click the other drawn pins, multiple extensions will appear. I'm just going to unclick those just now to keep it nice and tidy. So for example, we've got Color Veil. On this extension button, you can right click and you can look at some of the options that Color Veil offers, and it gives you a little bit of an explanation as to what Color Veil does. So if I enable Color Veil, you'll see that it gives you a preview. Now, Color Veil is actually an overlay, a color overlay that goes right across the Chromebook. You can change what color. So for example, if you were given a hex color by an optician to say that this color is perfect for this learner, they can input this code in here, and then they can access the perfect color for them on their Chromebook screen. There is also a veil opacity, which, as you can see, toggling up and down will show you what a web page will look like, and pupils can alter that to suit them. If I was going to enable and open a new web page, so let's say BBC News, for example, and we want to turn Color Veil on, you can see that this is what the Chromebook screen will look like. So the Color Veil remains over your screen. It may click off as you change page, but it comes back on. So the pupil or the learner using that device always has access to that Color Veil over their text. I hope that was useful. That was just a little short video on using extensions through the Chrome Web Store, and in particular, Color Veil.